Welcome to LSV Weekly, your weekly hit of smart living across the GTA. From the best family-friendly neighborhoods to healthy plates and smarter space solutions, we spotlight what matters most: home, food, and lifestyle that fits you. This week, our top pick for school-friendly living? Churchill Meadows in Mississauga, where education meets community. With top-rated schools, walkable streets, and playgrounds on every corner, this neighborhood is rising fast with GTA families.
Families here benefit from exceptional education options like St. Bernard of Clairvaux Catholic Elementary, Ruth Thompson Middle School, McKinnon Public School, and Oscar Peterson Public School, all consistently rated between 2.9 and 3.1 out of 4. These schools are known for their strong academic programs, inclusive communities, and proximity to local parks and amenities. Churchill Meadows also offers a variety of housing options, making it a perfect choice for families looking to settle in a thriving neighborhood.
Explore the full top 10 GTA school zones, now streaming at lifestylevideos.com. Next up, clean eating with zero compromise. This vegan carrot fettuccine with cilantro pesto is bright, fresh, and completely plant-powered.
Now what you want to do here is take one side of the carrot and continue to peel down the side. I like to use a Y-shaped vegetable peeler. You can turn the carrot and start peeling on the next side. Again, all in one smooth direction. The trick here is to get everything to be roughly the same size. I'm going to take the peels, I'm going to stack them on top of each other, slice them into fettuccine size strips. I'm going to take my strips and I'm going to pop them into the bowl. I'm going to add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, high quality fine sea salt, squeeze of lemon juice. And you're going to find that as the carrot strips sit, they're going to soften and they're going to take on the mouthfeel of an al dente pasta. It's almost like this has been lightly steamed.
Quick, clean, and dinner party worthy. Grab the full recipe now, exclusively at lifestylevideos.com. Now, you got the grill? Great. But if you're missing these must-have barbecue accessories, your summer setup might be falling short.
A rib rack is great because standing the ribs vertically, we'll get more ribs on the barbecue, and everyone loves ribs. We're going to need more than 2 racks, and you can imagine the racks just laid out flat on the barbecue, they take up a lot of space. So the rib rack, getting them standing up, we can get a lot more racks on the barbecue, but most importantly, standing on end, they won't dry out. And ribs, traditionally, we cook for a longer period of time at a lower temperature. There is the potential to dry them out, so standing them on their end, they won't dry out as quick, and you'll have some fabulous ribs. Another popular accessory is what we call a grill topper. Now, a grill topper is, think of it as like a wok. They can be flat or with sides like this one here. You could have a stir fry of vegetables or anything that's small and might fall through the grill: shrimp, scallops, small veggies. Asparagus is always a challenge. It's going to roll between the grills, so you could do asparagus in here.
Sear smarter, clean faster, flavor better. See our full backyard barbecue checklist, streaming now on lifestylevideos.com. Next, in 2025, the modern household is evolving. Rising costs, aging parents, and cultural roots are driving the rise of multigenerational living, and it's changing how homes are bought and built.
3 generations, 1 house, not because they have to, but because it just makes sense. In 2025, the economy didn't ask us politely. It pushed, and families responded by coming together. But this isn't your grandparents' in-law suite. These are renovated basements, garden suites, laneway homes with artful separation and just enough shared air. Grandparents watch the kids. Adult kids help with the mortgage. Everyone takes turns doing dishes, maybe.
That's this week on LSV Weekly: smarter living, better meals, and the future of family homes. Hit like, subscribe, and head to lifestylevideos.com for the full stories, recipes, and real estate decoded.